Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So this quick analysis of this sketch, I was really happy with the result considering it was quite a difficult one to try and capture. The first one took 3 minutes 20 seconds and I think that was purely because there was a hand there. The second one took 2.5 minutes and the third one took 2 minutes 20 seconds. I utilised the, as per usual, geometric and observational methods along with the good speed creating the feedback loop. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please contact me. First and second sketch are the closest to the reference, specifically the first one because it's got the hand, and yeah, I'm really happy with the overall results and how I'm progressing very quickly. I would not been able to capture that or have that look anywhere near like that like 6 months ago. So I'll give you a comparison. That's 6 months ago compared to this. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's night and day. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. And as I said, it would have been difficult beforehand. Let me know what you think and I shall see you next time. Bye!